Last question in the bar exam 2024. So we are here, the number 20 question. So the Congress enacted the Battered Partner Law, quote unquote, which amended Republic Act 9262 or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act. The mandatory law changed the term women to partners to make it gender neutral and to recognize husbands and boyfriends as victims of domestic violence. The mandatory law likewise included LGBTQ+ members who are victims of domestic abuse within the coverage of the law. However, several groups and activists challenged the constitutionality of the mandatory law on the ground that it blurs the substantial distinction between men and women as a practice-ready, potentially capable lawyer. Will you support the validity of the mandatory law under the Equal Protection Clause? Explain. So that's the question. Answer yes. I will support the validity of the mandatory law under the Equal Protection Clause. The Equal Protection Clause simply means equality in the enjoyment of similar rights and privileges granted by law. Sinisa versus Comelec 95-763. It means that no person or class of persons shall be deemed the same denied the same protection of the law enjoyed by the same class. Smith Bell and Corporation versus Natividad 40 Philippine Reports 136. People versus Vera 65 Philippine Reports 56. Republic versus SB Marcos et al. 49 SCAD 229. GR number 925 uh, 94 March 4, 1994. It it does not, however, guarantee economic equality but only equality before the law. With respect to juridical persons, only their properties are protected. In the field of equal protection, the guarantee that no person shall be denied the equal protection of the laws includes the prohibition against enacting laws that allow invidious discrimination directly or indirectly if a law has the effect of denying the equal protection of the law or permits such denial. It is unconstitutional. People versus Vera 65 Philippine Reports 56 CB Employees Association versus BSP et al. GR number 148-2008 December 15, 2004. The Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution does not require the universal application of the laws to all persons or things without distinction. What it requires is simply equality among equals, as determined according to a valid classification. If a law neither burdens a fundamental right nor targets a suspect class, the classification stands as long as it bears a rationally relationship to same legitimate government. And Villanueva versus GBC GR number 200 11,833 April 17, 2015. Requirement of valid classifications for purposes of the Equal Protection Clause. They are the following. They must rest on substantial distinction that may make real difference. 2. They must be germane to the purpose of the law. 3. They must not be limited to existing conditions only. People versus Vera 65 Philippine Reports 56 and 4. They must apply equally to all members of the same class. Ichong versus Hernandez, 101, Philippine Reports, 1155. Source, Political Law Reviewer by Jan Salvador Sr. Disease. So that's it. That's my answer for number 20 question. So thank you for listening, for watching, and following the political law Q&A 2024 bar exam series. Thank you, God bless, and good day.